Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about paragraph structure, what is paragraph and how the paragraph is being constructed. First of all, what is paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences related to each other discussing one specific or one particular idea. Well, even though it can be formed as a one sentence, but it is not recommended that one paragraph only has one sentence. It can be, but it's not recommended. A good paragraph at least has 3 to 5 sentences. More than 5 sentences, it's better. Yeah, it's better, but not more than 10 or 12 sentences because it will be too long. One good paragraph contains 3 parts: topic sentence, supporting sentences, and also concluding sentence. But this one, the last part, is not always. It's not an obligation to have a concluding sentence. Topic sentence stating the main idea of the paragraph. And then the topic sentence is not only mentioning the topic or what is being discussed, but also limiting the scope to one specific area. Not too specific and not too general. Part of the topic sentence that stating the specific area being discussed called controlling idea. So in the topic sentence you have topic and you have controlling idea. For example here, gold, a precious metal, is prized for 2 important characteristics. Which one is the topic and which one is the controlling idea? So the topic is something that is the center of the discussion, and controlling the idea is giving introduction or giving explanation about what is being discussed. So in this example, the topic of the topic sentence is gold, and the controlling idea is the price for 2 important characteristics. Topic sentence, always a sentence. Mostly it is only a sentence. Then always has both topic and controlling idea. Then always gives the most general information because it gives the reader what is being discussed. So the topic sentence gives the reader what is being discussed by giving the general information. And then the topic sentence is not always spotted in the first sentence of the paragraph. It depends on the writer. He can put the topic sentence even at the last of the paragraph. So in this example, we have topic sentence in the beginning of the paragraph. Synonyms, words that have the same basic meaning, do not always have the same emotional meaning. And then the rest of the paragraph is the supporting sentences. The next example, this paragraph, the topic sentence is placed in the last sentence of the paragraph. So in the beginning, there are several supporting sentences, and the topic sentence is: these are just a few examples of the medical miracles that are expected in the next few decades. We move to supporting sentences. Supporting sentences develop the topic sentence. It gives support to the topic sentence and should be related to the topic sentence. Supporting sentences are the proof of the topic sentence by providing the detail or specific information related to the topic. So the example, it is still related to the first example about the code. First of all, gold has a lustrous beauty that is resistant to corrosion. For example, a Macedonian coin remains as untarnished today as the day it was made 25 centuries ago. Another important characteristic of gold is its usefulness to industry and science. The most recent use of gold is in astronaut suits. So these are example of supporting sentences. Supporting sentences should be factual and reliable. And then supporting sentences uh, can be in the form of example, statistic, and quotation. Those are the characteristics of the supporting sentence, by giving example, by giving statistic, and by giving quotation. Supporting sentences must be related to the topic, of course. Yeah, if it is not related, then it's useless. Yeah, it's useless. So supporting sentences must be related to the topic sentence because it gives the detailed information about the topic sentence. Last part, concluding sentence. Like I said before, concluding sentence is not always, it's not a obligation because it depends on the paragraph. Yeah, if it is in the if the paragraph is the last part of the writing, yeah, of the essay, and then concluding sentence is needed. But if the paragraph itself is the beginning or in the middle of the essay, then concluding sentence may not be needed. It signals the end of the paragraph. It indicates that the paragraph is ending. And then it provides the reader with important points to remember. It summarizes what is being discussed before. And then concluding sentence is customary for standalone paragraph. However, paragraphs that are part of a longer piece of writing usually do not need concluding sentences. We have example here. In conclusion, code is a treasure not only for its beauty but also for its utility. These are the example of This is the example of the concluding sentence when you are going to end the paragraph. So that's about the explanation about paragraph structure. Hopefully that you can get a better understanding by watching this video. Thank you.